everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Pascal, and today we'll learn a little bit more about the Rad Wagon 4. So let's get going. So when you put the battery back in, if you can't turn the key anymore, it's most likely because the battery was not sliding properly. It can be a little bit difficult to remove, but then you need to take it off. So you remove it, and sometimes it's hard, and then you just reinstall it, make sure it is aligned properly, and make sure you can even give it like a little push, make sure it is sliding all the way. And now try again your key. It is working, so it is now mounted properly.